Quick disclaimer, this is not a sponsored or collab video. I'm just testing out different software that's available in the market to make video editing easier. There is a plugin that automatically edits your video for you. You've probably seen it somewhere on YouTube or Instagram Reels. It's called Auto Edit. In this video, I'm testing it out to see how it works and if there are any issues and whether it's a good purchase for you. Let's get into it. You can check the description box or head directly to the website to download it. Once it is downloaded and installed, open Premiere Pro, go to Window, Extensions, Auto Edit, and you are in. Quick note, I have purchased this before the stable version released, so I got 90 minutes of credit. One thing I'll say in its favor, they keep updating the plugin with changes. Inside the plugin, you get two options. Number one, creator mode. Number two, captions. Here is what the interface looks like. You can describe your editing style in natural language, and below that you will find suggestions for faster editing. You will also notice it automatically selects clip in your sequence. You can see the clip number on top matching the same clip highlighted in the timeline. At the bottom there are three processing options: standard, studio, and ultra. These control how deeply it analyzes your video for accuracy. For this test, I went with studio and clicked one of the predefined prompt suggestions. I asked it to cut out filler words and awkward pauses, added a bit of extra context to the prompt. Let's see how it performs. You will see the live cutting and trimming happen in real time. The biggest problem for any video editor is time. Building everything from scratch takes forever to get to a final output. Tools like this aim to speed up part of the process and save time in production. While it processes, you can watch each step happening. It starts cutting clips and also shows you a review of the edits it made, so you can choose what to keep and what to cut. Coming to the studio mode results, the cuts were tight and it removed dead space almost perfectly. Solid start. But after reviewing it more carefully, I noticed it's not 100% accurate. You will need to go back and double check the cuts. Some manual adjusting is still required. If you just want dead spaces removed, it does a good job. But when it comes to trimming actual bad takes, it wasn't perfect at the time of this recording. Next, I ran the same clip through Ultra mode, which claims maximum precision. This time, I only asked it to remove filler words and awkward pauses. Once it finished, I reviewed it again and it still wasn't 100% accurate. So, if you're recording mostly in English or another language Premiere Pro's native transcript already supports, you probably don't need this tool at all. Adobe's built-in transcript and filler word removal already does the same job. Bottom line, this tool cannot replace your full editing process. It only helps in trim filler words, bad takes, or pauses, and it's not fully accurate. You still have to go back and check every clip yourself. Since Premiere Pro's inbuilt tool does the same thing for free, if you already fall into that category, there is no real reason to spend money on this plugin. For my own workflow, this is a hard no. It doesn't meaningfully speed up my editing process. That's my full honest review of this auto edit plugin for Premiere Pro. If you found this helpful, like and share it with fellow editors or anyone who is considering buying this tool. Even if it's just one editor friend, share it with them because you never know when they might waste their money on this otherwise. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this plus YouTube growth tips. I'm Rajshekhar. You're watching Raj's Creator Catalyst. See you in the next one.